model, 63 plate Ford Transit Custom Trend Factory Fitted Crew Cab needs timing chain. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 142,965. Engine, 2,198 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Timing chain is stretched. We have fault codes for camshaft and crank sensor. The engine is definitely out of timing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,125. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,